Hey, it's Peter Beatty with PrimoPress.com, and in this short video, I just want to announce the newest update for the Pro Consultant theme. We just released version 1.0.01, which is going to provide some fixes for some bugs that we found in the theme, and plus we decided to add some new features based on your feedback. So let me go ahead and just go over the different features or the newest updates and features to this theme one by one. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that if you already own the theme, you can download the newest version inside the members area. Just go to the Pro Consultant theme page here, and then you'll see the updated download links right here, 1.0.01. If you're already running version 1.0 and you want to upgrade to the latest version, then there is a video on how to do that under the General Tutorials tab here. Scroll down and you'll see a tutorial here, how to update your theme right here. And then you have another video, how to update your theme right within WordPress, so you don't even need to use FTP or cPanel. So go ahead and watch those videos, and after you download the newest version in the members area. So what are the new features? Well, the first main thing that we wanted to announce is some updates and fixes to the content slider. We got a lot of bug reports about this slider, and we appreciate all those reports, and we were able to fix all of them. A couple people were reporting that the slider was not displaying more than 3 slides. So you can see now that it does all display all your slides here. Also, the arrows on the outer edges, we went ahead and added a hover effect to those, so they only show up when you hover over the slider, so they're not overlapping your content. Another thing we went ahead and did is we added the feature or the ability for you to add video in the slider as well. So you can see right here, you can just click play, and the videos will play. And this slider does slide automatically. I just went ahead and it's not sliding now because I went ahead and manually clicked the slides, but it should work as it's supposed to now. And we apologize for any bugs that you may have experienced before, but it's working now, and we added some new features to it. Moving on, there were a couple other smaller bugs that we went ahead and fixed, such as the navigation bar here was actually showing underneath the logo on smaller computer screens. So we went ahead and fixed that, so that doesn't happen. Another thing we fixed was some people were reporting that the logo here, when clicked, it would actually open in a new window, which obviously is not what you want, so we went ahead and fixed that. Another thing we did is we went ahead and added an option under the featured bar widget, which is this widget right here. Some people were requesting the ability to change the look of this bar independently in the mobile version. So you can go ahead and you can customize how it looks on the desktop version of your theme, and you can now also customize how it looks on the mobile version as well. So you see right here where we have the top line options, which controls this line here. You can customize the font, the color, and the size for the desktop version. Then you have the mobile options right below. So that's another feature we added. We also went ahead and added another widget called the Featured Page Wide Image widget. So as you know, all of our themes pretty much use, I'll go ahead and show you. All of our themes use this, what we call a featured page widget, which you see being used right here, which basically allows you to display any of your pages, in any widgetized area of the site. And we have a pre-selected image size here that automatically crops your image down to fit in this little area here. Well, some people were trying to display this featured image widget on the home page, and as you can see, these widgets on the home page are a lot wider, so the images were getting stretched out. So we went ahead and we added this second widget called featured page image or wide image widget. It's kind of cut off there because of my screen size. But if you want to use a featured page widget on the home page, then you just use this one here. Another thing we did is we added a new option to the location map settings panel here. Some people were requesting the ability to use a different units system for how the directions were displayed on the map. For example, if you went to any of the directions pages on our themes and you typed in your address here, this page will automatically generate directions for you, and it should show either miles or kilometers depending on where you are in the world. But in some areas, Google was displaying the wrong units format. You know, for example, some people in the UK, it was actually showing miles when they wanted to show kilometers for some reason. So we added an option where you can basically override the unit system here. If you're in the US and you're using miles, then you would select imperial. If you're using the metric system, such as kilometers, then you would choose metric, and it will override any of the settings that are already set in the Google map. And the last new feature we added was an option for you to disable the mobile theme on tablets only. This was a request that we got from a few different people. So you can actually choose to turn off the mobile theme altogether, which basically means when someone is viewing your site from any type of mobile device, they will see the desktop version of your theme. However, if you just want to show the mobile version to phone users, but to tablet users where the screen is a little bit bigger, and maybe you want to show the desktop version of your theme, then you can go ahead and do that by checking this option here. So that's it for the updates and bug fixes. We will be working on more as feedback comes in, and there, of course, are some bigger features that are going to take more time to add into the theme. But as of right now, that is it. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.